Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Oxygen YouTube page. Today is 6th July and today is Sunday. What we do on Sunday, we do a weekly analysis that how the week can give us the price action. Just a quick recap what we did the last week analysis. If you open the last week analysis and you see what the BTC did, the BTC did exactly what we discussed between the option 1, 2, and 3. It was chosen the option 1, and we captured around 10.2 K points from the weekly analysis. So this is here. So to start with, we will start with the weekly analysis of BTC, what BTC can do in this week. Uh, this is the weekly chart to start with. Without saying anything, we are clearly seeing that resistance uh, and the support is been already been marked very clearly in the chart. So we will also do the same thing. Okay, what we call it the weekly resistance and the weekly horizontal support. What it also showing, is there anything else which is showing? No, it created some pattern, has given the target. No, so weekly doesn't say as much at this stage. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, on a daily time frame. Okay, on a daily time frame, it is looking like that BTC is trying to break the resistance, but here's not the story. What we should do is we should put our favorite tool, which is nothing but a fib. Okay, and we will see that from lower swing to the higher swing, the zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.6 area is here. What we do, as generally we do, we just mark this area. Okay, what we call it daily fib retracement. Okay, it's a fib retracement, and let's color code also in a different color so that we will know about it. It's a very important area, guys. Okay, now what else the chart is telling us? The chart is also telling that support is also been taken from here, which is our zero point 0.5 area. So what, as general, I also suggest that from zero point 0.5 area to the higher swing, let's see another what is the support is getting created. So we see here there's another fib area which has been taken here. Okay, what we call it? Let's call it minor fib retracement. Okay, okay. So what we know that we have a support resistance, we have daily fib retracement, and we have a minor fib retracement also. Is there anything else which is happening on a daily time frame or in a BTC chart? On a daily time frame, I see another thing here. This, okay. So looks like there is a something which we call it. Let me make it little big. Something like that. BTC is trying to do. Okay. And is it a flag pattern? Yeah, looks like it's a flag pattern it is trying to create. Okay. This I call it on a daily day time trend line. Okay. This is also a daytime trend line. Okay. Now, is there anything else? Any pattern? No, nothing. Let's go to 4 hours then. On 4 hours, the prices are took a support here on a, which is our minor fib retracement. It is tried to break the minor support retracement, but see, it broke, trapped everyone, and then came back again. This is this classic case that what happens when the retest is not been done. So it went up again. What it tried again, it tried that it 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 lured everyone. It is told, it is attracted everyone that let's see, I'm breaking the trend line, come and buy, and then shit, it's here. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to keep an eye on this trend line. And also, which I'm seeing here is that it is trying to take a support also here. Okay, which is this area. This area, let me put one fib also here, 0.5 to the another high. Okay, so looks like the BTC is trying to take a support here. Okay, so which is our another fib area, which is this fib area will be, it tried. Okay, should I mark this? Is there any support here? The support is will be like this, here, here, here. Yeah, it's support here, 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 which is this area has become my, this has become the another fib area, another minor fib retracement. Okay, and the prices have already taken a support here. Okay, so okay, let me take it to 2 hours. On 2 hours, we are seeing that from yesterday, which is the weekend, prices are absolutely sideways. So what it has created here, it has created one box pattern here, here. Okay, and we'll have to see in which side direction gets break. So what is this? This is my 2 hours box pattern. Okay, it has to break somewhere. Where it will, we'll see that. Let me take it to 1 hour. In 1 hour, is there anything which pricing is saying? Prices. Okay, for a second, even if you consider that, although the retest never happened, but even if you consider that it has broken this, if I take this from here to here, okay, so what is this? This is the another selling block for me. Okay, so this can become like this. Okay, this is my fib box for another selling. Okay, so and let me, because okay, so this is fine. So what the prices I'm saying, and I will not go beyond 1 hour because it's a weekly analysis. Well, in my opinion, what is going to happen? The prices will spend times here, 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 will reach here. Okay, let me draw this. Okay, the prices will spend time like this, somewhere up, again down, somewhere up, again down, and then it will come somewhere here. Okay, will touch here, take a rejection here, and then the prices, the bigger selling will start from here. Okay, but we have to wait for this. So this is, guys, in my opinion, BTC is gonna behave in this in this coming week. I will be very excited if this box gets break, and I will want to see that what the how the price is gonna behave on this box. I'm really, you guys, I tell you, I'm really not optimistic that it's gonna break this and we will go for another high. And the reason I tell you why. On a reason, if I take back to you the 1 hour, the 1 day chart. Okay, here, if you see, people are very excited by seeing this the bullish flag pattern which is getting created. But we have seen the bullish flag pattern somewhere else also in our life, right? Which was the famous pattern here, somewhere here. If you see this pattern, yeah, you're seeing this. This was a very famous pattern was created during the when the prices were hovering around 60, 65, 59,000 price, and the prices it broke and the prices reach on 100K, right? That time also people thought always that it will break this, it will break, but it didn't happen. So the prices are gonna spend some more time on this parallel chart, or what we say parallel chart, or a bullish flag chart, and then if there will be some broken or some breakout will happen, it will come, but not so soon. Okay, so in my opinion, right, if I take you back to the 1 hour, in my opinion, BTC is gonna behave like this. It will spend some time here, will break this box, then go to the upper box, somehow will try to touch the trend line, or it will try to break a little bit trend line and then will come back again. Okay, so for time being, I'm little bit bullish on BTC and then I'll become bearish again. Okay, this, in my opinion, this is how the BTC is gonna work. Let me take you to the Ethereum and let me clear it out everything for Ethereum here. Okay, and let's go to the weekly chart. On a weekly, is there anything which Ethereum is trying to do? Yes, Ethereum has one very good support here. Okay, now this doesn't look like prices will come here ever, so I will not waste too much time and I will go to the 1 hour, 1 day chart here. On a daily chart, the prices are here, which is exactly on support. Okay, little bit far from support, but this is what the support of Ethereum is, and this is what their resistance is. Okay, support and resistance. Let me put this on yellow color. Okay, is there anything else here on Ethereum here? Yeah, if I put this from low to swing high, yeah, here if you see the prices are here, which is exactly if you can see the prices have taken a jump from here, and it should be the bigger fib box, bigger fib retracement. Okay, from here, okay, now if we see here, from here prices have already come once to the down. Okay, here, so what is this level? Let me delete this because this is coming very near. What is this level? This level is my minor fib retracement. Price action of Ethereum and BTC is quite different, guys. Okay, so this is my minor fib retracement. Okay, where the price is currently hovering. Okay, on a daily time. Let me take this to 4 hours now. On 4 hours, if I see from a minor fib retracement, the prices are trying to take one upside, and also I see one trend line coming from here. Okay, what is this trend line? This is 4 hours trend line. 4 hours trend line. Fine. If the 4 hours trend line here and the prices are here, what else tells us? It tells us this also. 4 hour. Uh, this is the 4 hour. Okay. Let me take it to 2 hours. On 2 hour, what's it trying to say? It's trying to say that it has taken a rejection here, okay, on a 4 hour trend line. And in 2 hour, it is possibility that it can go up till here, okay. And then it will hover here, 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 and it will go up again, okay. If I put another, just to check with where the prices can stop, the prices can come till here, okay, here. And this will become my decision box for ETH, okay. What it has to do, let me take it to 1 hour, okay. So here if you see on a 1 hour, looks like first, in my opinion, what is going to happen on Ethereum, Ethereum is going to follow this symmetric triangle pattern, and then here it will decide that it has to go up or down. Possibility that it goes up and then from here it comes back again. Okay, again for Ethereum, for short term I'm bullish, but for long term I'm not bullish at all. Okay, let me take that to 1 day also again. Is there any pattern which I left it in 1 day? Yeah, the pattern which I have created for 4 hours is also applicable for 1 day as well. If you see, like if I put this for 1 day, it will become for 1 day. Okay, let me put this for 1 day. Okay, now what you have a day trend line. The prices are here. The prices can hover little bit here, 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 and then can give a breakout. But at this stage here, it has to decide what it has to do. Okay, and then we will see how the Ethereum performs. Ethereum and BTC is having a little difference is what I can clearly see. Okay, having said that, let's go to what XRP and Sol is also doing. Okay, let me take you to the XRP and let me delete this. XRP on a daily time frame, it's here. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. On a daily time frame, XRP is here. Okay, and also XRP is following this also. What is this? This is a daytime frame, daytime trend line. Okay, is there anything else which XRP is doing? XRP must have already chosen the zero point 0.5 area. Yeah, it has already taken a rejection here. Let me mark this also. What is this? This is my fib retracement. Fib retracement. Okay. Now for the fib retracement on a daily time, this trend line, it is taking a rejection from trend line. It's also taking a rejection from fib retracement also. It took a rejection already from fib retracement and came down. So mark this also. What is this? This is my fib for buying, which is my minor fib. Okay. Now let me take to 4 hours. On 4 hour, yeah, 1 second. Let me delete that because it is confusing that. Yeah, okay. Let me take to 4 hours now. On 4 hours, the minor fib retracement here, it's already been rejected, is it? Yes. From minor take rejection, it came down. Okay. Now, if I put another fib here and go till here, so this is my prices are here. Okay. And I delete this. This is nothing but another minor fib. Okay. Now, what it says that the prices started from here, took the rejection here, and the prices again tried to, again went up, again trying to come down, again came. Now the chances what can happen is, the chances can happen that the prices can come somehow will do like this, and then one selling till here, and here it will be decided that what price want to do. Okay. In 1 hour, what is happening? Yeah, exactly. Looks like the prices will come here to here. Okay, from 2.23 to 2.28. Another again for XRP also short-term bullish, then the one big dump is gonna come. Same BTC, ETH, and XRP looks like is gonna make this pattern. Okay, quickly see the soul. Okay, soul our this this trade got activated and still running. You look at this trade still going on. But let me delete everything here and let me take you to daytime. In daytime, is there anything pattern? Any pattern which is getting created? Yes, there is a pattern. This is the pattern, which is day trend line. Okay. Is there anything else? Support, resistance, clear support it is showing. Okay. This is my daily time support also. Okay. From here to here, what we have? We have bigger fib retracement, bigger fib retracement. Okay. Here to here, but the prices again went up. Okay. So from here till here, what we have? We have the minor fib retracement. Okay. Support, let me highlight this in a different color. Okay. Let me delete this. Let me take it to 4 hours. Any pattern? This, this, this. Okay. Any pattern it tried to do? Let me see. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Not very clear because the right shoulder has not been completed yet, but looks like The soul is trying to create an inverse head and shoulder on a 4 hours window. Let me see if 2 hours give any more clarity. 2 hours towards here, here, but this has to be completed, right? And for this has to complete it, the prices has to come somewhere here. And if it has to come here, first it has to do some action here. So looks like what can happen in case of Solana is, okay, the prices can behave like this. Here, it can little bit trap it and then again can come down here somehow. Will prices will go up again, and this time target is very big for Solana. Okay, we will see that how Solana behave, but for short term it's bullish. Okay, so this is it, guys. We have done analysis for BTC, ETH, Solana, and XRP. I hope you like this analysis. Like our previous analysis, this analysis is also very raw. As I always believe, I give more focus on learning than give you the ready-made indicator or ready-made support and analysis, because that's not giving you any learning. We are running our live stream also, plus weekly I post some videos also. Please support, like and subscribe, keep coming on live stream and keep this engaged session. Thank you, and I will see you in other videos.